Hi everyone, today we're going to look at, we will be updating the Automation Direct software, and in particularly we will be looking at the C-More Micro software, and we'll update from the 4.30 to 4.31. Now if you haven't already done so, the best way to update any of the Automation Direct software is to sign up for the automatic update email, which will automatically notify you every time that there is an update package available. So up on my screen here you'll see that I am into my email and it's telling me that this is from Automation Direct. We have a product update. It's C-More Micro software. The newest version is 4.30. The release date was March 21st, 2018. So it tells you a little bit about what the software is for. Then it will actually tell you the bugs or fixes that have been done within the software, and some of the highlights of it. Then what you'll do is you'll see a link to actually go to the Automation Direct website, which actually is the download site. And if you haven't already done so, this is the link right here, the software update email notification service, that when you click on it you'll be able to sign up for the software update and make sure that you're on the list so that anytime there are new updates that you have it there. So we click on the link, download C-More Micro programming software 4.31. It will then download my file for me. If I want to do, then I can right click on that and I can open it. When I open it, I'll click on the CD image and then double click the C-More Micro version 4.31.0.0.exe file, and then it will tell me that I need to extract it all. So we'll do that, and we will show the extracted files when complete. So there we go, and once again we'll now click on the C-More Micro version 3.41.0.0.exe file, and this will then start my installation process. So once again, make sure that you sign up for the automatic emails. It's the quickest way to ensure that your library is completely up to date with the latest versions that you have. So again, this is through the installation process. We just click next, and what we're doing now is just installing that software. So unlike our installation, we don't have to say the source or anything. It will automatically look at the previous version and update over top. So that's it there. We'll just hit finish. And now our software is complete. We can actually close these windows down. We can then start our software. And it's just going to do a quick AVG scan first. And there we go. So our software package, close that down, is all set to go. Okay. So all the links and documentation can be found on our website at accautomation.ca. If you like this video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. Give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to ACC Automation and subscribe to our website. When you do, notification will be given to you every time we publish new content to the site. You will also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.